ukukhayilwa kwabantu eMarikana, ukubulawa kwa-Andrestatana noMthokozisi Ntumba. Izo zondathi zehlakalezi zinkule zeraba ezasetshenziswako. uDavid Bruce omrhubhululo zijameleko uthi isiqundo ngendaba kaNtumba sitshengisa ukungagwetshwa kwamapholisa.
A critical issue is that rubber bullets are potentially lethal. They are more likely to kill a person if they're fired at short range and targeted at the head or upper body. Some police members seem to think that they are fairly harmless. For instance, during the recent trial, there were some police who said that rubber bullets can't kill. These police are obviously fully informed.
uBruce uthi nangaphandle kwesiphakamiso sombiko wezazi sango-2016 esakhutshwa ngemva kwesehlakalo sokudunyuzwa kwabantu eMarikana ngo-2012 sokuthi amapholisa kufuze asebenzise njani iinkule zeraba, kodwana amapholisa solo awakwazi ukulawula ukusetshenziswa kweenkule zeraba namkha ukubeka umthetho ofaneleko wokuziphendulela. uBruce uthi solo kwango-2012 i-IPID yamukele iinghonghoyilo ezinengikhulu ezilila ngamapholisa azisebenzisela bujulweni iinkule zeraba. uSuping uthi akusilula ukufumana ukuthi ikule yeraba iphume kisiphi isigidi, uthi akufani nekule amambala.
In the year 2020-2021, IPID registered 830 cases of the discharge of an official firearm. Out of this number, 177 were a discharge of an official firearm using rubber bullets.
Ikomiti yentsha ezibumbeneko yamalungelo obuntu inombiko otshengisa ukusetshenziswa ngefanelo kweenkule zeraba nomthetho wakhona. Umbiko lo ukhambisana nesiphakamiso sebandla sango-2016. uBruce uthi into yokuthoma engasiza ehlelweni eli kubekwa kwemithetho ezwakalako. Uthi indaba yokuziphendulela kwamapholisa kufuze ithathelwe ehloko. Nanyana umnyango wezamapholisa uvumile ukuthi uzakukhulumisana nathi nje, kodwana ubhalelwe kuphendula imibuzo ebesiyithumele yona siyi-SABC.